Hey, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. Today, I'm going to show you a very cheap DIY, one that I'm just doing it for the fun of it, and I'll be replacing it once my other items arrive. So, as you guys know, in Malaysia, we have this movement control order. It's sort of like a lockdown, alright? So a lot of things are not being shipped on time. Everybody's buying things online. So I got a lot of projects coming. A lot of my parcels are actually being delayed. Shops are closed. They are not being shipped out, some of them. So yeah, I I'm just looking around what I have at home, and that leads to this DIY. Alright, I'm going to install footwell lights for my car. So let's get to it. Alright, so you have two longer wires to go to the back and two to the front, and then what you have is that you need the negative, which is this bunch over here, and a positive. And now we'll go into the car and continue with the wiring. Alright, so the wiring for inside the car is done. So I have two lights under the seats, which comes up to the center console over here. Alright, then both the lines will come to the middle here. Alright, so same thing with the lights over here on the passenger, and on the driver side it comes back down to here. So you see four lines here joining to a positive, and the positive line, the power line, alright, is from the 12 volt coming up here into the switch. Then from the switch, one more line goes back over here to where the lights positive is supposed to be. Alright, and if you watch my previous videos, you know that I have one grounding point that I pull from the player down to here. So all the grounding of for the lights are all connected here as well. Then on the switch side, you will need power for the lights, as in the switch, the light in the switch. So I'm tapping it to the switch that was next to it. Alright, so black to black, red to red. Okay, if you are not too sure, use a voltmeter to test it out. Alright, so once that is done, as you can see, there will be lights here. Okay, and once you switch it on, oh yeah, okay, so now all that's left is to put everything back and then stick up the lights, and we'll wait for night time to see how it looks like. Alright guys, simple DIY, takes less than an hour, involves some soldering skills, not much of a wiring skills. It's basically just positive, negative, and how you pull it. And the power was actually taken from the 12-volt line. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is just a temporary DIY. I've actually ordered proper footwell lights that actually changes color. That will be the next project. Alright, so yep, just waiting for it to be shipped from China. Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Yep. So remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified on the next episode of TC's Anything Goes. And if you like this, hit the like button. If you dislike it, you can always hit that, but leave us a comment on how we can improve further. Alright, till next time, see ya. Oh wait, I forgot to talk about the cost of this project. Okay, so the cost of this project is 0. Yep, 0. Alright, I'm just going through my storeroom and see what I could find, and I dug this out from the previous project. If you remember the boot light upgrade, alright, these lights are from the boot light upgrade, the leftovers. Okay, so yeah, once again, see ya.